All right, so welcome to the video. So in this video, I'm gonna try out a different 3D print, a 3D print that I've never ever tried putting together or even working on. So for this project, I ended up using, again, my Bambu Lab P1S. I mean, this 3D printer is awesome. It can pretty much 3D print everything for the most part. And yeah, for this certain project, I want to make sure that the print quality was on point. Here it is. And this is going to be pretty interesting. I mean, again, this is my first time working on this project, on this 3D print. So here is the model. It came out beautiful, like always. And here's the other one. All right, so here we go. So I got my 3D prints for this 3D print project, and I mean, they look amazing. I mean, the detail, again, on the Bambu Lab P1S is just incredible. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove the support on the print. All right, so I got most of the supports removed off the bottom of this 3D print, and here is that print. It's also pretty cool. The print also has a ring on the end here. That way you can also turn this into a keychain, which I actually have the accessories to do that. So I'm also going to do that with this project as well. Now, these are actually strawberries on the top here. So these can easily be painted. But yeah, I tried doing the multicolor print in Bambu Lab Studios, but for some odd reason, whenever I would choose a certain area, it would just color the whole thing. But no big deal. I mean, for a small print like this, it's pretty easy to paint anyways. So I'm just going to paint it manually myself, which I also love doing. I love painting. And what I love about the Bambu Lab P1S is when you use supports for the prints, I mean, the supports come off very, very easy versus my other 3D printers. If I use supports on them, it takes a little while. There's a little bit of work that you have to put in to remove the supports. But with the Bambu Lab P1S, I just love how the supports easily come off. As you guys can see, no frustrations. I mean, the Bambu Lab P1S 3D prints, awesome 3D prints, big, small, but yeah, awesome. All right, so another accessory that I'm going to use for this project is a mechanical key switch. As you guys can see, very nice and clicky. So I'm still waiting on a batch or a bundle that I actually bought from Amazon, but I had like a extra mechanical keyboard sitting on the side, so I just took this little guy off of there, and this should work just fine. We're gonna find out here very quick. All right, so I'm gonna put this guy on first. So let's see if it'll fit. Okay, that fit perfectly actually. All right, so we're getting closer to getting this thing done. So all right, so I think I got it in there sitting pretty good, and it should not come out, as you guys can see. But yeah, a little bit of painting on this thing. I mean, it's pretty much done for the most part. So very easy to put together. But yeah, I'm just loving this so far. So let's test it out. Very, very cool. I'm not gonna lie, I mean, this is actually a lot of fun. But yeah, I mean, everything works nice and smooth. Awesome. But yeah, I'm gonna continue on with this project. I wanna paint it. All right, so I ended up 3D printing another print, this time in a multicolor print. I managed to find some filament in a red and brown as well. So here we go. Okay. There's one. And here's the top piece. And that looks fantastic. I mean, look at them strawberries. But yeah, the Bambu Lab P1S is awesome, especially for multicolor prints, just like this one here. And I mean, yeah, they look awesome. So here we go. But yeah, the first print I ended up just 3D printing in white because I could not find a red and brown filament. I knew I had some sitting around somewhere, so a little bit of digging through the piles of filaments that I still do have from before, I ended up finding a brown and red, and yeah, they look fantastic. And again, for this one, the supports come off super easy. And of course, we also need, again, another keyboard switch. Again, this is just another extra keyboard that I just got sitting around, and we got it. All right, so again, we just drop the keyboard switch down into the base of the 3D model, just like so, and it fits perfectly. And we just add the top piece onto here, and we are done. And that is awesome. But yeah, I've really been having a lot of fun putting this together. I think these are called FIDGET clickers. These have been a lot of fun 3D printing and putting together. And again, I 3D printed this with the Bambu Lab P1S, and it just looks awesome. But yeah, the possibilities that you guys can make and create with your Bambu Lab P1S, especially multicolor prints. And looking at these strawberries kind of makes me want to have some strawberries. Actually, they look pretty good. But yeah, the multicolor print turned out awesome from the Bambu Lab P1S. But yeah, if you guys like the video, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. If you guys want to see more projects that I work on with 3D printing, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Stay inspired. Peace.